Alright folks, this knife right here is just it's one that a guy from work kind of done up himself. I don't know, I'm not real sure what the blade is made out of, but he put a piece of antler on it, deer antler, and he basically just wanted me to make a sheath for it. But I thought this would be a good one to kind of show y'all something new that I've been working on. I want to show y'all my redemption oil. This is a new thing that I'm trying. That's the label on it there. It comes in a 1 ounce bottle. It's a black bottle. The liquid is mostly clear and it is scented. This first round is got a slight peppermint scent to it. But I thought this would be a good opportunity to try it out. It is on the website already for sale, so if anybody's interested in giving it a try. But let's put it on the knife and see what it does. It's good for the metal or the handles. I don't think it will harm any type of handle material. Should be good for everything. I believe it's going to provide a good shine, good barrier of protection on the handles. You can see the shine that's coming on it. Should moisturize everything really well. Let's wipe it down here and see. And I would say good results. So like I said, on this knife, this is not one that I done. This a guy from work brought it to me to make a sheath for. Well, that smells good. That peppermint smells is nice. But anyway, redemption oil, folks. Comes in a 1 ounce bottle, listed on the website. We'll have more to come with this, probably some variations, maybe some bigger sizes. Y'all let me know what you think. Give me your comments, give me your opinions, let me know what you think. You know, I always welcome it. I appreciate y'all watching. There's going to be a lot of these videos coming. I'm trying to get set up in the shop to where I can video a lot more. So y'all get prepared. They're coming, folks. Thank y'all so much. Love y'all. God bless.